Guys, Innocent here. Today I'm going to show you some of the best exercise that you can do if you want to have a small lower waist, get rid of love handles, and develop a V-shape. One thing that I've noticed in the gym, when people are training obliques, they always take a heavy weight and they start doing this. If your goal is to get a small lower waist and to get rid of love handles, this is not a good exercise for you. I say that because you have to keep in mind, this is a muscle too here. So as you are doing this, you're training your obliques, but you're also training this part. And once you develop this muscle, it will just look like fat. People won't be able to tell the difference if it's a muscle or a fat, and it will be very difficult to get rid of it. So I'm going to show you some of the best exercises that you can do to develop a small lower waist, have a V-shaped and defined lower abs, and to get rid of love handles too. And like I said before, make sure that you always warm up before you do any exercise in the gym to avoid injuries. So let's warm up, and I see you on the other side.